Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to kick people off YouTube TV. Alright, let's begin. First, open the YouTube TV app on your device. In the top right corner, tap on the settings icon. Once you're in the settings menu, look for the family sharing option on the left side. In the family sharing section, select manage. Here, you'll see a list of all the family members or friends you have added through invitations. If you want to remove someone, simply click on their name. After selecting the member you wish to remove, click on the Remove Member option. This action will successfully remove that person from your YouTube TV account. It's important to note that removing a member will revoke their access to your shared content, so make sure you're certain before proceeding. So that's basically how you can kick people off YouTube TV. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.